Our school, Michael Nagar Shikhaniketan, government sponsored co ed English medium higher secondary, has taken an excellent initiative in conducting online classes through YouTube channel. Even in this pandemic situation, our school did not step aback in providing and enhancing knowledge to the students. So, it's a request to the viewers, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello students, so now I am going to start another chapter of grammar skill, which is conjunction. Conjunction, it is a part, it is one of parts of speeches, okay, like pronoun, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb. Conjunction is another kind of parts of speech, and like in our body we have lots of parts like hands, legs, eyes, ears, and every individual part has individual word. Like this way, in our grammar skill, we have parts of speech, and each and every part of speech has their own individual word. So, conjunction is like our hands. What does it does? The hand joins our body, or you can say our neck joins our, okay, hands is not a good example. I can give the example like our neck. Our neck joins our heads with our body. So, our neck is like conjunction. So, like our head, conjunction also joins sentences and words. So, the word which joins sentences and words is called conjunction. So, at first I need to show you how conjunctions joins words. Like see, here is an example. Hema and Reshma read in class 6. So, Hema is a word, Reshma is a word, and these two words are joined with and. So, and joins these two words, and so here and is conjunction. And next sentences. So, I give you the example how conjunctions joins two words. Now comes to the sentences. He has books, his brother has books. So, here the two sentences, how can we join? He and his brother have books. So, with and I joins these two sentences, and I can give you another example like the man is poor, sorry, it will be is. The man is poor, the man is honest. So, these two sentences I can join with by using but. The man is poor, but honest. So, here but is conjunction. Why? Because these two different sentences are joined with but. So, conjunction is the word or the parts of speech with which we can join two sentences or two words. Now, let us come to the conjunctions. We have many kinds of conjunction, we have various kinds of conjunctions, but today I am going to mention you 7 kinds of conjunction which we generally used or which we generally see in our common day life or common day writing. These conjunctions are mainly used. So, that is why I give you the examples of 7 conjunctions. The first one, I drink some water for I was thirsty. So, here I drink some water. Why? The reason is I was thirsty. So, these two sentences are joined with for. So, it means for is a conjunction. For is used as conjunction. Next, I was tired and hungry. So, so here and is conjunction. We can easily identify that and is conjunction. Why I am using and? Because it is the same thing. I am tired and I am hungry. Both things are happening into me. So, when we indicate any same thing, both are same, like he has books, his brother has books, it means both of them have book. So, like these kinds of same things are generally used or generally indicates by using the conjunction and. The next one, I can't dance nor sing. It means I don't know how to dance and I don't know how to sing. So, both the things are negative. We don't know each and every, any single thing. So, when we express the negative things, then we use nor. So, here nor is conjunction and nor is used before negative thing to join negative. Both the negative things will be joined as joined by using nor. Then he is poor but honest, just I have given the example. He is poor but honest. So, these things are different, poor and honest. So, two different things are generally joined with but. So, but is the conjunction. And here the rest three. Do you want tea or coffee? So, these are like what things I need, these things or these things, both things you need to choose among these between these two things. So, then we need to use or. So, here or is conjunction because tea and coffee, these two things are interrelated between by using or. Then I ran first, yet I cannot, yet I came last. So, it is the different thing, but here is the something is positive, but after doing the positive thing, we get the when we get the result of negative thing, then we generally use yet. So, yet is here conjunction. Yet is used as conjunction. And the last one, I was hungry, so I ate it hurriedly. I was hungry. So, why I ate it hurriedly? Because I was hungry. So, here so is conjunction and so is used when we say something about reason. So, now let us quickly remember how do you remember these 7 conjunctions by using a very easy word, okay, or very easy formula. If you remember this formula, if you remember the word, then you do not forget these 7 conjunctions. How? So, first one is for. So, let take the first alphabet, then A and A, then N, nor N, but B or O, yet Y and so S. So, the word makes fanboys. So, what fanboys? F for, A for and, N for not, B for but, O for or, Y for yet and S for so. So, this is the word. If you remember this word, you never ever forget these 7 conjunctions. But there is a but, not a big but a small but. So, these 7 conjunctions, with these 7 conjunctions we have some other conjunctions like as, if, either or, as if. These are some other conjunctions we also have, and you will find some other conjunctions in your grammar book also. But always keep in your mind, after knowing these things, always keep in your mind that there is not actually any word we can selectively say that this is conjunction. No. When the particular word works as conjunction, when the particular word joins 2 sentences or 2 words, then this particular word will be used as conjunction, then this particular word is called conjunction. So, actually conjunction means which word joins sentences and words. So, you have to remember that which word joins 2 sentences and 2 words is called conjunction, and there are some certain conjunctions. For these certain conjunctions you need to remember fanboys, and these conjunctions, with these conjunctions we have some other conjunctions like as, if, either, as if, nor, or, these kinds of other conjunctions we also have. And now you need to read, or you need to memorize the whole conjunction chapter from your grammar book also, and you have to do the assignment which I will give you after this video session. And I think, or I hope that you will do all the answers correctly by seeing this video minutely. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.